ODM wenzangu, leo hii katika ukumbi huu hatuko hapa kuandika historia. Leo hii kalamu yenye kuandika historia inawekwa wino na wanachama wa ODM. Tukumbuke pale ambapo kwamba tulipotoka. The birth of ODM. ODM was born from the struggle of getting a new constitution. A constitution that believed in giving power to the people of this country. But we never ever stopped it being there to relentlessly pursue that power that deserves to go to the people of this country. Kuongea si udhaifu. Kuweza kuanza kuzungumza na wengine sio kwa tumeweza kusalimu amri, na kujipanga sio kwa tumeweza kuuza Wakenya. ODM over the years has never been a party that believes in isolation. ODM has always been a party, pre-election and post-elections, we have always been the ones that in the pursuit of going back again to giving power to the people, we have always believed in dialogue. Because it takes strength for you to be able to dialogue. And I call on every prodigal son and daughter